Hi, in this lecture we will see how to manage all the resources. You can see here I've created so many files. Now what is the best way to organize these files? Usually we create a folder and keep all the related files inside a folder. So can we do here? Yes, it is possible. And it's possible with the help of a package. So I'll show you how to organize these files. Right click here on the project and new, create a Python package. Let's give here a name, my pack. Once we create a package, this init file is automatically generated inside the package. So what is a package? It's just a container that stores the related files. And technically it is just a directory. Now here I can create a Python file inside this package. So how to do? Right click again on this package and Python file. Let's create here a calculation Python file. So this way it is very easy to organize the code. Now I'll quickly create another package, Python package, and let's give the name here conditional statements. So one more package here, loops. Now, whenever I want to create a file related to conditional statement, I can create inside this package. And if I want to create a file related to a loop, I can create inside this package. So it's always better to create a package to organize the code. Now let's see internally how it looks. What you can do, right click here on the top of the package or any file, and then here you can see one option is you can of course copy the path, or here is the one option, open in. So I want to open in Explorer. See, conditional statements, loops, mypack. These are just a folders. Inside these folders we can keep the Python file. So this is the concept of a package. In the next lecture I'll show you how to import a package.